Hi ladies and gents, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Guguletu, the owner of talkingmusic.com, and today I'll be talking about bass compression. I'll show you how to mix a bass like a pro. So let's get started then. Let me solo the bass DI. Now the aim is to get the bass to play at the same volume. As you can see, some parts are loud, some parts are soft. So the aim is to get the bass punchy and constant in volume. So let's check out the compressor. For this project, I used the CLA 76 black version. I really love this compressor, especially for bass because I have the release feature. Depending on the type of bass that you are working on, if you have longer notes, then a longer release time will work well. But for this bass, a short release time really works well. Let's check out the before and after. This is without compression. As you can hear, the bass is all over the place, and when it's like this, it will be hard to get it to sit well in a mix. I'm sorry about my voice today. I have a sore throat, so please bear with me, guys. So let's check it out with the compressor. As you can hear with the compressor, it even sounds punchy. So I'll just keep bypassing the compressor so that you can be able to hear the before and after. So this is without. And this is with. As you can hear, it becomes more punchy and more present, and it's also constant in volume. That's what a compressor does to a bass sound. When it comes to attack and release time, I usually use a slow attack time just to make sure that the attack of the bass or the transient go in first, and then a few milliseconds later, the compressor starts working. And then because this bass is more funky, I use the really fast release time so that it can release faster. Because if I use a longer release time, then the compressor won't rest and it will compress everything. By the time it reaches this section here, the bass will be quieter, and that way you lose all the punch from the bass. So that's why you have to be careful. If you have shorter notes, make sure that you use a fast release time. If you are working with long sustained notes, then feel free to use a longer release time. So you can always use the needle to make sure that the bass is resting after each and every note, and then it's not overlapping on another note. That's the main key. It's really that easy, guys. So don't complicate this stuff. I hope you found the tutorial useful. I have to rest my throat. That's why I chose to do a very short tutorial for you today. Please leave a comment below and I'll definitely help you if you have any questions. Smash the like button if you found the content valuable. Click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that YouTube can notify you every time I upload a new video. Now let's check it out with the drums so that you can be able to hear the difference between compressed and uncompressed. As you can hear, the bass sits nicely in the mix when it's compressed. So that's why compression is very important for bass sounds, especially if they are played live. And that's all for today. If you want more tutorials, check out talkinmusic.com/books. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. We'll talk again tomorrow. Cheers.